Bailan is everywhere right now. From stressed students groaning over exams to tired workers shrugging off deadlines, this phrase is popping up in every conversation. Want to know how often it shows up on social media? The number's in the 5-digit range. I'll tell you the exact count in a sec. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means, but you'll also be using it like a native speaker. Let's dive in. Believe it or not, Bailan started as basketball slang. When a team was losing badly and just gave up, they'd say they were Bailan, letting it rot. But it didn't stop there. Soon, the phrase exploded online and took on a life of its own. So what does it really mean? Bai means to display or to put, and lan means rotten. Together, it paints a picture of letting things fall apart on purpose. It's like choosing to stop trying to fix something and just letting it rot. A bit rebellious, right? While tamping is about passive resistance, Bailan goes a step further by fully embracing the chaos. What's the English equivalent? Maybe something like let it go, or it is what it is. But Bailan adds more edge. It's like saying, I'm done fixing this mess, and honestly, I'm fine with it. It's relaxed, but there's a quiet resolve to it. All right, let's get practical. Here's how to use Bailan in everyday sentences. 我昨天打游戏之书只好摆烂. I kept losing at my game yesterday, so I just gave up. 今天的工作太多了，我决定摆烂一下. There's way too much work today, so I decided to let it slide. Remember, bailan usually comes at the end of a sentence, after describing a tough situation. So challenge first, then you decide to let it rot. Also, don't forget to match your verb tense to the context. And now, the shocking stat. Over 20,000 mentions of bailan flood social media every minute. Impressive, right? So that's bailan. It reflects how younger generations in China are choosing to let go, rather than grind through impossible odds. Unlike their parents, who pushed through challenges, today's youth are more selective about where they invest their energy. And that ties into our next episode, Fo Shi, the Buddha-like mindset. What if Bailan isn't just about letting things rot, but actually finding peace in the chaos? Hit subscribe and don't miss out. I'll see you next time.